Good morning everyone. I'm Nirmala. I'm working as assistant professor in the Department of Computer Science Engineering, and I'm going to take a topic on Agile testing principle and what are the testing methodologies which is used in the Agile testing. So Agile testing principles. This principles follows one software development model. So that will be called as a Agile software development model. So Agile testing involves all the members of the project teams, and with the special expertise which will be contributed by the testers. So testing is not a separate phase. So it will be interlinking with the development phase, such as it will be involved in requirements designing, coding, and in the test case generation. So the testing takes place simultaneously throughout the development life cycle. So here the entire development life cycle is we will be having the participation with the testers will be involved in the development life cycle, as well as they will be contributing for the proper we'll be able to satisfy all the customer requirements with the better design and the code. So Agile testing will be covering all the types of the testings and all the levels of the testing. So these are the testing principles. First one is testing is continuous. The testing will be performed continuously because it is the only way we can able to ensure the progress of that particular product. Next is the continuous feedback. So this Agile testing provides the feedback on the basis so that the product can be able to meet our business requirements. So the test will be performed by the whole team. In the software development lifecycle, only the testing team will be responsible for the testing, but in the Agile, the developers, the business analyst, everyone will be participating in this while testing an particular application. Next is decreasing the time of the feedback response. So the business team, whoever which is involved, we can able to get the continuous feedback, so it reduces the time of the feedback responses. Next one is simplified and clean code. The defects which will be raised by the Agile team, we can able to keep the code clean as well as simplified, less documentation. Next one, Agile team uses a reusable checklist and the team focuses on the test instead of the incidental details. Next one is test driven. You need to perform the testing at the time of the implementation itself, but in the traditional process, the testing will be performed only after the implementation. So next one, Agile testing methodologies. The testing practices are well defined for every project, whether or not we should able to deliver the high quality products. In the traditional testing principles are often used in Agile Agile testing. One of them is early testing. So writing the test cases to express the behavior of the system, early defect prevention, detection and the removal. So ensuring the right type of the tests are performed at the right time at the right test level. So in this Agile methodologies, Agile testing is itself a methodology, hence the test cases are written before the coding. So this Agile methodologies includes Scrum, XP, Crystal, FDD, DSDM and Lean software development. So other testing methodologies are test driven development. In the test driven development, it is based upon the coding guided by the testers. Next one is the acceptance test driven development. In the acceptance, it is based on the communication between the customers, developers and the testers. Next one is the behavioral driven development. In the behavior, testing is based upon the expected behavior of the software which is being developed. So these are the 5 phases of the testing life cycle. First one is Agile test planning, release the Agile test planning, release the readiness, daily scrums, test agility review and impact assignments. So first one is the impact assignment. In the first phase, you have to gather all the inputs from the stakeholders and the users. Now, this will be taken as the feedback for the next deployment cycle. Next one is the Agile testing planning. The stakeholders come together to plan the schedule of the testing process, frequency and the deliverables. Next one is release the readiness. At this stage, you have to review the features that have been developed and check if they are ready to go live or not. Next one is daily scrums. In the daily scrums, this phase includes everyday morning meetings to check on the type of the testing and the set of the goals for that particular review. Next is agility review. So the final phase involves the weekly meetings, the stakeholder review, and we can able to assess the progress through the against the milestones. So that's it. Thank you.